In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Klaviyo. This is a simple integration that allows Klaviyo to sync important data from your Squarespace site, including orders and subscriber form activity. Once it's connected properly, you'll be in a much better position to build automations, track customer behavior, and improve your email marketing setup without needing to manually move data between platforms. To begin, sign in to your Klaviyo account. After you're logged in, go to the Integrations section. This is where Klaviyo lets you connect with other platforms and services. Inside the Integrations area, find and select Squarespace. Choosing the correct integration is important since Klaviyo will then show you the exact connection fields required for Squarespace. Next, open your Squarespace account in a separate tab or window so you can easily move between both platforms. In Squarespace, go to Settings, then Developer Tools, and then Developer API Keys. This is where you can generate or view the API key needed for the connection. The API key acts like a secure bridge between Squarespace and Klaviyo, allowing the two platforms to share data safely. When you locate the key, copy it carefully so that the full value is included. Now go back to Klaviyo and paste that API key into the appropriate field in the Squarespace integration setup. After that, enter your site URL. Make sure the URL matches your live Squarespace website exactly, since this helps Klaviyo identify the correct store and connect to the right data source. Taking an extra second here to double check what you pasted can help prevent setup issues later. Once both fields are filled in, save your settings in Klaviyo. Saving completes the connection request and allows Klaviyo to begin synchronizing your Squarespace data. This includes order information and subscriber form submissions, which are especially useful if you want to create segments, trigger flows, or measure the performance of your email campaigns based on customer actions. After saving, give the integration a little